In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a chat with Meta's AI on WhatsApp. Imagine having your very own AI assistant that can answer your questions, give you recommendations, or just chat about your interests. Sounds cool, right? Let's jump right in, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Step-by-step walkthrough. Step 1. Check if Meta AI is available. Before we begin, here's something you need to know. Meta AI is currently only available in a few countries. So if you don't see the feature in your WhatsApp yet, don't worry, it might be coming to you soon. Also, Meta AI supports only a few languages at the moment, including English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Hindi. So if you speak one of these languages, you're in luck. Step 2. Open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Alright, first things first. Open your WhatsApp and head over to the Chats tab. This is where all the magic happens. If Meta AI is available in your region, you'll see the option to start a chat with Meta AI. Step 3. Start a conversation with Meta AI. Once you're in the Chats tab, simply tap on Meta AI. You'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Go ahead and read through them, then click Accept. After that, you're good to go. Meta AI will give you some suggested prompts, or you can type your own question or message and hit Send. For example, you could ask Meta AI, "What's the weather like today?" or "Give me a recipe for chocolate cake." Meta AI will instantly generate a response based on your input, making your chats more interactive and fun. Step 4. Provide feedback on AI responses. Now, if you ever feel like the AI's response was super helpful, or maybe not quite what you expected, you can give Meta feedback. Just hover over the message, click the menu button, and then choose Good Response or Bad Response. You can even leave a reason for your feedback if you like. This helps improve the AI over time. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to start chatting with Meta AI on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more tech tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience chatting with Meta AI, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Before we go, here are a couple of extra tips. Meta AI is great for 1. Productivity. Ask for to-do lists, reminders, or even quick facts. 2. Fun chats. Talk about hobbies, like what's a good movie to watch tonight? Or tell me something interesting about space. And remember, you can always revisit past conversations with Meta AI by simply opening the chat again from your WhatsApp Chats tab. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Make sure to check back soon for more awesome tutorials from the Tutorial Lab. Until then, happy chatting with Meta AI. See you in the next video.